Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn mini challenge disappearing div tag using JavaScript. It's a very simple technique using JavaScript to like a show and hide the things of HTML elements of your HTML form by making a simple JavaScript to done all the things. Wherever you want to apply this same function, you can apply to make them disappear on your HTML form. Let's see how it is. A very simple code I'm taking here. First of all, I would like to preparing something like what to be display and what not to be display. Very simple tag like a p tag I'm taking here. So click here to show or hide button to switch between the hiding and showing the development. And button is my function I'm using here on click event. Now the div tag it is like implemented called id of my div. Anything you can place here with the id name, like id also you can take or name or div. And here are my div content. What are the content you want to place? Like you'll see very simple. Like we'll see to the output first. Refresh. See, click here to show or hide the button. Switch between hiding and showing the div element. Now click here. Nothing will happen. Why? I didn't implement any JavaScript by making the onClick event. See, I have written onClick, but I didn't mention and I have practiced any function calling with the JavaScript here or internal. Now let's see, I'm adding the simple script over there, like a function, my function things. Copy and paste over here. We'll check it first. Sometimes it won't be called and it depends upon the browser supports. So I'm adding like within the body itself. Wherever you can add, no problem. Whereas the standardization rule, it should be within the head itself. All right. The function, what it is saying, it is calling DOM object of my div. What is my div means? This is the div tag. And now I'm making something little bit like low. Now see, x dot style dot display triple equal to means it's a comparison. None. Now it is should be like a block. Else it should be none. Okay. Note the element will not take it up any space when the display property is set to none. So we didn't set the any display property. No. So let's see here the reloading of the thing and let's see and hide the things. Start, reload, click here. Where is my content? Wow, it is disappeared here. Why? Click here. Oh, here are my div content. What awesome. And likewise, you can make some buttons to play with a small game. Like clicking something, it is showing some fruit or apple, anything, and the image. And div tag, we calling the image, everything will be hide and show like this, hide and seek. And something if you press something, and it will be displayed. Show, hide, show, hide. It's a beautification of the game you can prepare with the using of this JavaScript. If you press where it is my content. If you press here are my content. Wow, pretty easy. All you have to do to like making this on click function for this click button and adding some div tag, and you would write anything here. But you can prepare wonders or you can calling images or anything you can add within the div tag. And that the div tag we are handling here with the particular div ID and like displaying a none equal to none, it should be block or else it should be none. None means it will be displays the content. That's it. All right. It's a very pretty easy session. I hope you understand very simple and easy way. Click and showing and disappearing the things. And make sure that this is the very simple functionality we have done so far. This is the function we have implemented here, and on click I'm called. My JavaScript function is handling like displaying like showing and hiding the content of a HTML web page. Strongly remember that the DOM object which ID it is calling that will be like activated and like a behavior this functionality. That's it. Whatever it may be, the ID it's not only the div, maybe paragraph or div or image tag, anything. I hope you understand very clearly how to handle such activities using JavaScript along with the DOM objects. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.